Morning guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about the one-liner questions, that is part 43. So please check my playlist whatever has been given. As you can see, I already discussed the part 42. So let us see what exactly has been given in the one-liners. The speed of an aircraft is measured by, that is tachometer. We knew that whatever the speed which is measured in the, that is instrument in the aircraft is fitted, that is known as tachometer. Please remember there is altimeter where you have to measure the height of the plane, that is altimeter. Next we have the chief function of a gene, that is it determines the character of a cell. This is one thing you have to remember. Whatever the main function of a gene is, that determines the character of a cell. The atmosphere layer which reflects radio waves is called ionosphere. So whatever the layers we have, troposphere, stratosphere and ionosphere, that is in this it is measured that whatever the layer we have that reflects radio waves, that is known as ionosphere. Nucleus of helium contains, that is 2 protons in it. There is the atomic number of the helium is 2. So in that we have the protons, that are those are 2 protons are exist in the helium. Electrolysis, it is one process in which ions are discharged. This is one thing you have to remember. Whatever the electrolysis is a process in which ions are discharged. The unit for measurement of energy produced by food in the human body is called calorie. So this is, we have to remember what exactly the definition of the calorie is. The unit of measurement of energy produced by food in the human body is known as calorie. The walls of a thermos bottle are polished to prevent radiation. This is one thing you have to remember. How exactly the thermos bottle works. The walls of the thermos bottle, they are polished to prevent radiation in it. Silver surface reflects radiated heat. Vacuum prevents convection and conduction. Insulated stopper reduces conduction. This is what exactly happens here. The element present in the highest percent in living matter is carbon. So please go through whatever has been given in the playlist, which are very useful for all competitive exams. The element present in the highest percent in living matter is carbon. A body that absorbs all the consistent colors of light will look, that is black. So we knew that whatever the body absorbs all the consistent colors of light will look in the black. If you see during the night times, if there is no light at all, then you will have whatever the element, it will be in a black color only. Next we have the sulfur drugs are effective against diseases caused by bacteria. This is one thing, whatever the sulfur drugs, these are the effective against diseases caused by bacteria. A triode differs from a diode in that it can amplify a signal. Please remember one thing guys, whatever the triode it has, that differs from a diode in that it can amplify a signal. The difference between a musical sound and noise lies in the pitch. This is what happens. What are the difference between the sound as well as noise? That is, pitch is the main difference in it. The frequency of which is the highest is for gamma rays. So you will have the maximum frequency in the gamma rays only. I request you guys to check playlist where you will find near about 1000 plus question papers for various examination. It has been segregated into various playlists. You can directly go through the playlist. The type of motion performed by the needle of an ordinary sieving machine is known as oscillatory. This is one thing you have to remember. Whatever the motion performed by the needle of an ordinary sieving machine is oscillatory motion. You will find whatever the sieving machine, the process, you see that is one type of oscillatory motion. Fixation of atmosphere nitrogen in the soil is done by nodule bacteria. This is one thing, please remember guys, whatever the fixation of atmosphere takes place, that nitrogen in the soil is done by the nodule bacteria. The chief value of perspiration is that it regulates body temperature. Please remember whatever the main chief value, important value of perspiration is that it regulates body temperature. In plant cells, starch is converted into sugar by the process of hydrolysis. What exactly the definition of hydrolysis? In plant cell, starch directly converted into sugar. In this process, starch is directly converted into sugar. Next we have diabetes insipidus, which is caused by deficiency of anti-diuretic hormone. This is one thing you have to remember. Whenever there is a diabetes insipidus, that happens with the deficiency of anti-diuretic hormone. The organism causes tuberculosis, that is bacillus. We knew that whatever the tuberculosis happens with the bacteria, that is Bacilli calmette gurion. That is the vaccine which is given the bacteria ovaris, that is tuberculosis, which is bacillus. The properties of soaps and detergent that helps to remove dirt from clothes. That is one thing, whatever the properties of soaps and detergent that helps to remove dirt from clothes is interfacial torsion. This is one thing you have to remember. This is the property of the soaps and detergent that helps to remove dirt from the clothes because of interfacial torsion only. To see three-dimensional pictures, we have to use a stereoscope. Please remember what exactly the function of the stereoscope is. To see the three-dimensional pictures, whatever we want to see, that can be utilized with the help of stereoscope only. The woolen clothes are warmer than cotton because they are insulator. We knew that whatever the woolen clothes, it directly reflect the heat whatever is gained. As you can see to the right side, how the diabetes insipidus directly affects you. So this is one thing, pituitary gland, where you will have the problem in this diabetes insipidus. Pituitary gland produces insufficient ADH, adenosine dihormone, that is, hence the kidneys make a lot of urine in it. Next we have, for making electric wire, the copper is used for electrons become readily available in it and cheaper too. This is one thing you have to remember. Whatever the making electric wire, the copper is used for electrons become readily available in it. It's also cheaper also, and the maximum product current pass through the copper also. The function of hemoglobin in the human body is the carrying of oxygen to various tissues. That is the main function of the hemoglobin. As you can see to the right side, how exactly the hemoglobin transfer the oxygen from one place to other place in each and every part of the body. The disease caused by the virus, that is smallpox. The one which is rich in all the three foods, that is carbohydrates, proteins and fats. This is one thing which are rich in all the three foods. Next we have that regulates the quantum of light entering the human eye, that is iris, with which we can find out the color of the eye. That lens can be easily, that regulates the quantum of the light, that is iris. The concept of atomic energy, that is conversion of mass into energy, was first suggested by Albert Einstein. As you can see how exactly the concept of atomic energy, the conversion of mass into energy was suggested, that is by the Albert Einstein only. The plant cells starch is converted into sugar by the process of hydrolysis. This is one thing you have to remember, guys. In this process of hydrolysis, plant cells and starch is converted into sugar by the process of hydrolysis. The most favorable conditions for the liquidification of a gas are low temperature and high pressure. This is what exactly it has to be. The most favorable conditions for the liquefaction of a gas are low temperature and high pressure. In informal condition, the pacemaker of heart is in the sinoarterial node. This is also known as SN node. In the normal condition, the pacemaker of the heart is in the sinoarterial node. So as you can see, whenever there is a problem in the blood valves of the arteries of the heart, then pacemaker is fitted in it, because for the pulse generating purpose. The center for regulation of food intake in man is located in the hypothalamus. Please remember, guys, hypothalamus, which is located in the head, that regulation of the food intake in the man is located in this hypothalamus only. The mean density of the earth is 5.5. This is one thing you have to remember. Contours are the lines showing places on earth at the same altitude. Sorry, the contours, these are the lines showing places on earth at the same altitude. This is my mobile number, guys. You can directly go through whatever has been given. If you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS, you can directly call me on my mobile, or you can message me by WhatsApp.